four friends. Once upon a time there was a large lake in the forest. In their life four friends of a tikwa with big eyes and a long tail, a beautiful golden deer, a black crow, and a tortoise who moved very long. The crow lived in the of a blueberry. The mouse lived in a safe underground burrow. The turtle lived happily in the lake, and the deer enjoys living in the green moss grass. Like every day, the four of them get together, but today, after a long wait, the deer were not present. They were very confused. They were also very poor and suspicious of the deer. The crow said,
Right, I have an idea. I will look for it. You really?
answered the mouse and turtle. The crow started looking for the deer. He cried loud, but in vain finally disappointed, and in a long tone he roared back loudly. And this time there was a gut feeling.
Ah!
The crow was then surprised to see that a hunter had caught the soul in his trap. He calmed the deer and hurried back to his friend. Without delay, the tortoise said to the mouse,
The mouse sit on the crow back and tear the net with your sharp teeth.
Immediately the crow and the mouse set off to save their friend. With its point teeth, the mouse broke the net and freed the deer. After that, the four friends happily. A sound came. The hunter was approaching. The crow flew quick and perched on the tree. The mouse ran to its burrow, and the deer ran away still scared. The tortoise was left alone. He tried to run, but could not fast enough to escape the eyes of the hunter. The hunter then caught the turtle and put it in his bag. While he walked and thought I was going to eat turtle today. The crow see all that. He see everything that happy will pass. One day he talked to his friend.
What king of things should we do? We have to do something very fast.
The deer said,
We can do one thing. I will spread it grass. The hunter will see me and catch me leaving his back. Then the next task is for the mouse.
The deer then stood on the path the hunters had passed and began to eat grass. See the deer, the hunter cast Gosia with his bow and arrow and left his back in place. This time the mouse had to walk the back with his strong. The pair of them ran toward the lake, and the disappointed hunter thought that at least I still had his tortoise, so I can eat that. Yes, it's okay. He went over to his bag and was surprised that it was empty. Poor hunter, he left empty-handed. After that, the four animals lived happily near the lake.